Radi čez čas iz teh, če rečemo, 4 nekih delovnih mest počasi pol zrasli in mogoče tudi razširili se mi v celotno svojo sobo. Ne? Ampak to so šele ideje, bomo videli, kako bo šlo. Trenutno bo pa tukaj skoraj vedno jaz pa Brian. Ja, pozabili smo mogoče omeniti, da Brian živi v Sloveniji. Ne? To je bilo dobro. Yeah.
My daughter said she's going to come and do her homework here.
Great.
No, just on that note, just to build on what Nina says, this is an open space. So basically, you're all invited to come work here, hang out here, talk to us if you have any ideas. At Mozilla, we do everything in the open. We've no closed doors with Mozilla. All our meetings online are in the open. All our ideas are online. All our code is open, obviously. We're an open source company. But basically everything we do, marketing, PR, is in the open. So all your ideas are welcome. You're welcome to come and hang out here anytime. It's free and open space, so it's yours as much as ours. So
yeah,
come and join us.